Before 28th of February 2026, how was the situation of Strait of Hormuz? It was open. All countries benefited from the Strait of Hormuz. No one get any problems with the Strait of Hormuz. And 10,000 years the Strait of Hormuz was open. And Iran daily, yearly spend a lot for providing security in this Strait of Hormuz. So no one even complained anything about the Strait of Hormuz. Everyone was free, even under enemy. Their warship passing the Strait of Hormuz. But since the initiating of the war by these countries, the conflict and crisis started from the Strait of Hormuz. So Iran cannot do anything. Those people who initiated, created, started this war, they have to stop it. And everything will go back to the normal place. I think there is some mentality which it should be changed. Mentality that the great powerful country has right to do whatever they want to do. They can attack innocent people. They can attack any country. They can kill anyone whom they want. They can damage primary school. And no one has right to say no. But they have to say to them, thank you very much, you are killing us. And if there is any problem and crisis, we ask and request the oppressed people that please provide and help us. Provide us the peace and blah, blah. Why the countries whom affected by this situation are not asking the United States of America and Zionist regime to stop the war? Why they are not asking them? And this crisis and problem by which a lot of countries are affected, created by them. A lot of factories are closed. Even working day in some countries reduced. They said Friday, Saturday, Sunday are holiday. And a lot of restaurants are closed. But we need a little bit fair and justice. Instead of asking Iran why, we should ask those people who created this war, please stop it. We are suffering. I think if they ask United States of America, Zionist regime to stop the war, everything will go back to its normal conditions and situation.